South Central Indiana residents want to know the source behind an explosion-like noise that rattled southern Indiana.
Wish TV received several questions from viewers about that loud boom that was heard around 1 p.m. today near Camp Atterbury. News 8's Adam Pinsker says that officials still don't know where it came from.
A spokesperson for Camp Atterbury says that the base was not doing any kind of training. There was no explosion or live ammo or live fire drills going on. Now, people who live within 5 or 10 miles of Camp Atterbury say that they're used to hearing those types of noises, but nothing like they heard today.
This was a really loud roar boom.
Cordray Sweetwater Fire Captain Lacey Levitt was in her home Wednesday afternoon when she heard a loud explosion. She lives just 10 miles from Camp Atterbury and is used to hearing the sounds of Army drills, but this was different.
My dogs, one jumped down and ran away and one started barking, but when Atterbury's shooting, they never start making noise or anything. They just sleep right through it.
And we did hear from a lot of you that heard the same type of explosion from Columbus to Ellettsville.
It was just a big pop, like a firecracker would do.
Doug Stevens owns the Gatesville Country Store in Brown County. He says it sounded like a truck backed into his store or a tree fell down on top of the building.
And things on the wall, all of our little jars and stuff all rattled. And I talked to my wife and I said, "What was that?" And she said, "Maybe it was thunder." I said, "I don't know. I don't think it was thunder."
There's no evidence around Stevens' store or anywhere else that would indicate there's been a fire or some type of explosion. The Emergency Management Division in Monroe and Brown County say they don't know what caused this loud sound. Stevens said it lasted just seconds and was over.
It was loud. It wasn't the normal noise that you usually hear.
And we also heard from the American Meteor Society, which tracks meteors and fireballs. They tell us there was no activity detected in this area at the time people heard that sound, so it remains a mystery. Adam Pinsker, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.